Hi all, I'm Shilpa. This video is about IoT devices. Internet of Things devices support the expansion of internet connection beyond the usual standard devices like computer, laptops, smartphones, etc. These devices are purely integrated with high definition technology, which makes it possible for them to communicate or interact over the internet and can also be managed and controlled remotely when required. What are IoT devices? IoT devices are basically smart devices which have a support for internet connectivity and are able to interact with the other devices over the internet and grant remote access to a user for managing the device as per their need. It is a matter of fact today that a number of IoT devices are there, but to your surprise, by the year 2021, with an increasing graph of IoT devices, there may be around 20 billion IoT smart devices up and running with an increase in the demand of 5G network. IoT device life cycle. It has a very simple life cycle of development, deployment, followed by monitoring, servicing, managing, which is followed by regular updates and decommissioning at the end. Apart from these informations, there are some advantages and disadvantages of the Internet of Things devices which may have a great impact on the current and future generation of mankind. Advantages of IoT devices are: IoT encourages the interaction between devices called machine-to-machine interaction. It provides good automation and control integrated with more technical information, so it is better to operate. IoT possesses strong monitoring feature. IoT helps to save more money by reducing manual task and time. Increased efficiency and time saving with good features make a better quality of life. Though there are several disadvantages too. Certain disadvantages are: Internet of Things devices does not have any international compatibility standard. They may become highly complex, resulting in failure. Internet of Things devices may get affected by privacy and security breach, reduced safety for users, reduction in the employment of manual tasks, thus resulting in job reductions. Internet of Things device may take control of life in due course of time with increased AI technology. Here are the few examples of IoT devices: smart mobiles, smart refrigerators, smart watches, smart bicycle, smart fire alarm, smart security system, smart television, and fitness trackers, medical sensors, etc. Let's see some top trending IoT devices in 2020. Here we can see some of the IoT devices that are used all over the world now. You can actually buy and experience these devices for yourself. The first one, Google Home Voice Controller. It is a smart IoT device which allows the user to enjoy features like media, alarms, light, thermostat, control the volume, and much more functions just by their voice. Then Amazon Echo Plus Voice Controller. It is a popular and reliable IoT device. It is capable to run songs, do phone calls, set timer and alarm, ask questions, provide information, check the weather, manage to-do or shopping list, manage house instructions, and several other things. August Doorbell Cam is an effective IoT innovation. August Doorbell Cam allows you to answer your door from anywhere or remote location. It constantly checks your doors and also captures motion changes in your doorstep. Curie Mobile Robot. It is the first sort of home robot and most popular too. It is specifically designed for entertainment. Curie interacts with the users and captures movement all around the house daily. Foodboot Air Quality Monitor. It is a reliable IoT device which is helpful in measuring indoor pollution and leads to improved air quality in houses, workplace, indoor public spaces. It's often give accurate result. Nest Smoke Alarm. It is a very useful IoT device. It is a smoke alarm that thinks, speaks and alert your mobile phones about any unwanted emergencies in your home. It automatically tests itself. Philips Hue Bulbs and Lighting System. It's a very famous IoT device. It is used as a personal wireless lighting system that allows to control your light and create the light right ambience for every moment. It makes the smart home to live with the most connected lights in the world. Netgear Orbi Ultra Performance Whole Home Mesh Wi-Fi System. It is extremely powerful Internet of Things device which maintain the whole home mesh Wi-Fi system that is capable to cover the whole house with fast Wi-Fi. It can work with the existing internet service provider. So, Internet of Things IoT device is a burning topic in the current era.